Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. Today it will be my pleasure to introduce this Toyota Crown by my favorite company Keng Fai. Yeah, so recently all the models from Keng Fai that I purchased was really great. They were, I don't know, just perfect, all die-cast metal, all precisely done. So, I mean, this company is doing some great jobs here, and this is why I actually decided to buy another Keng Fai product, and this time it's this Toyota Crown. Yeah? So, as you can see here, the box is fully black, yeah, not that much on it, and if I just open it, yeah, I will immediately see what is actually inside. Yeah? So, a styrofoam box, but actually also something like this. Yeah, so what is it actually? Before I go to the box, yeah, so let me just briefly check this brochure. Oh, so yeah, there is this Toyota Crown picture. It's 1 to 18 model, this 155, and actually what we see here inside of this brochure is what we can do. So basically the engine can be opened, the engine hood can be opened, left and right door can be opened, trunk lid can be opened, front tires having steering function, the front seats can be adjusted. Oh, bang, that's great. 4 wheels suspension function. Okay, so actually you can do a lot of stuff with this one. Yeah, you can, and I'm quite interested because you can also shift the front seats and of course suspension. Yeah, so now for the first time let me unbox this. Okay, wow, so we have some transparent foil here or whatever it is. Yeah, okay, and then also a sheet of toilet paper. No, it's actually not it's a napkin. It's not a toilet paper, but when I buy things from this seller on eBay, there is a specific one with this B in the logo. They always put some additional toilet paper. Yeah, so that's quite great. And now, actually, yeah, there was also this door opening tool. So I will now use it. Ah, it's a bit folded here. Look at that. I think it's a bit broken. Yeah, so okay, it should be like this, but it came a bit broken. Anyway, this model looks really great, as always. Keng Fai, yeah, and actually this Toyota Crown reminds me very much of this Lexus LS460. The front lights, the headlights, and the grille here, everything looks exactly the same. Also in the back, actually, yeah, those two cars, if you have them next to each other, you will probably not recognize which one is which unless you have those logos here. Yeah, so Toyota or Lexus. But what we can do already here, yeah, so look at that. I can actually unfold the mirrors, the same also here on the other side. Yeah, so that's first great feature, but it doesn't stop with that. Yeah, so also I'm quite curious because here there is this gas door, and I think you should be also able to open this one. Yeah, so not sure if this is really the case. Yeah, I can already feel it. Yeah, so you can open it. Wow, look at that. Another great feature. Yeah, so you can really open the gas door here. Not so many cars have it, and every time when there's this feature, I really appreciate it. Then, of course, you can open everything, but before we go to the opening, I just want to show you a little bit more about the exterior. Yeah, so first, all the chrome parts here, everything is so much in line, no gaps. Yeah, the gaps are really minimalistic here. Also here between actually the windows and everywhere, it's so precisely done. I'm wondering, yeah, maybe this is one of the best models that I have ever seen. Yeah, also it's quite heavy. Look at here in the back, the lights, and I especially like here this small logo here and all the Toyota crown and everything. It's so nicely done. Look at it. Here I like this font, and then we have the crown on the license plate, and here this Toyota logo, and it's precise, everything. Yeah, so this is just amazing. Also here, actually, if you see here the front grille, this is perfect, as I said already, but then you also have many additional other details. Yeah, so like for example here, this is a bit on the side. Yeah? It's not exactly in the middle, this logo. Maybe I will need to shift it a bit. But other than that, it's really, really nice. Also here, the wipers. You can move them a little bit, yeah, so they are not fixed to the glass, thanks God. Then you have here the wheels, quite nice, you can turn them. Quite a lot. The radius here is amazing. You can turn them, spin them, and actually now when I try to do some test to the suspension, in the front, suspension is working, in the back as well. Yeah, so until now, my friends, there's nothing wrong about this model, and I'm just wondering, why not? Why other manufacturers are also not precise? Why other manufacturers like Auto Art are not producing diecast replicas anymore? Because here Keng Fai is proving that even now in 2021, a diecast replica in 1:18 scale is the best what you as a collector can get. And I have not yet started opening it, yeah? So let me do that now. And with this door opening tool, first the hood. Okay, wow, the engine, unbelievable. It's so detailed, unbelievable. I need to show you. Yeah, so have a look at that. So many different colors, so many different parts. It's just also all the stickers, the signs, the caps, everything is super detailed, and they really paid a lot of attention. Yeah, so for example on NOREF models you can also open the hood and check the engine, but it's actually just one piece of plastic, one color, and that's it. But here on this one, yeah, you know, even here the hinges, everything is so nicely done. It's actually, having this one open, you can actually enjoy the details, and yeah, it's just another level. So really, I'm really super happy about this one. In the last, I don't know, months or even years, this is one of the greatest models I'm reviewing. I'm super excited actually. So maybe this is one adapt to 10 out of 10 rating. Yeah, and last time only this CMC Pullman received this. Okay, so in the back, it's also sturdy, very solid. And is there carpeting? Yes, there is carpeting in the trunk. Okay, so again, no minus points. Everything is exactly as I expect. And now maybe also check inside. Yeah, so how to open it? Okay, one door. I already see that even the inside of the door, that's amazing. Multiple materials used, but I will show you in a second. Okay, the problem is that first maybe you need to open the front door. Yeah, here there are no door handles, are not that useful in this case. So first the front door, so that you use this door opening tool, then the rear door, and now let me show you the interior. As I said, here you see different materials used in the door. So first here there is a something like fabric, then there is this beige color, the rest is gray. You also have a wooden part here where the buttons are. You have a nice door handle. Everything is so nice. Yeah, and okay, here same in the front. And now, the interior, it looks exquisite. Okay, so now look at that. How can I Okay, you can really move the chairs there and back. It's a feature which is also not very common, only on few of my cars. You have the seat belts here. The materials of those seats very soft, actually. There's carpeting, of course it is. Yeah, so again, you see everything is there. Everything is there on this model. What you expect from a diecast, you have it here. And same here, a lot of details. Okay, so I actually haven't spotted any flaw, any mistake. Quality control did a perfect job, and also the ones who designed this car. Once again here, the front grille with this Toyota logo. The headlights also very detailed. Yeah, it's just amazing. Yeah, look at this tiny gold screw here holding the hinge. Yeah, that's also nice. So, my dear friends, let me return to my seat and maybe tell you some final words about this car. Yeah, so it's maybe really after a long time when I'm super positively surprised by the quality, interior, exterior. The paint is perfect. Yeah, so everything is actually 10 out of 10. Maybe the price, yeah, it was not really cheap, but considering all the details, it was super cheap. So I think the rating is already obvious, but now you can also wait for it. Yeah, let me close the doors once again to show you really the model. Finally, Keng Fai did a great job. And now thank you for watching, and now the only outstanding thing of this video, the final rating. So thanks again, and now rating of this one. Thanks, bye.